Welcome everybody to Flat Earth Trade number 10 exit. We got stopped out of our trade today, so let's find out how we finished. If you're new to the channel, folks, we pick stocks at random. We believe that entry isn't as important as the management systems that you imply and being consistent in the markets with this flat earth trading experiment. So on to the trade, folks. We had Urban Outfitter. We came up with a short position on this of 566 shares. The entry was at 32.15. Here's our exit rules, or our management rules system. Our initial stop was $1.84. We had a 2 times target of 30 and a 4 times target of 28. Urban did not quite make it there. In fact, we did get an extension when we had a good push to the downside, but it just came back to stop us out. But not for the full $1.84. In fact, let's go jump out to the trade and look what it finished at. So as we move over, folks, I already popped up Urban here on the chart, and you can see that we do have a nice little candlestick that was working pretty good, and it did move our stop down here, but we did not survive today's action all the way back up to just shy of 34 so far. As you can see down here into the bottom, folks, we were stopped out, all 566 shares for $33.03 for an exit price of $33.03. So that's about an 88-cent loss. Paid $2.19 in commission. Let's jump into our journal and update this trade. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Urban here. And we'll go ahead and exit this trade in our journal as well. Jump into Urban here. Let's go ahead and update our trade and put in our exit parameters. So let's go ahead and add our buy. That's hit us here. Make sure we put in our share. We got today's date. I'll use the time that's currently selected. And we got to make sure we do all 566 shares. Let's jump over to our exit price was $33.03. And we paid $2.19 in commissions. And that should about do it. Let's go ahead and add this new order. So jumping back to the dashboard, we can see that we did post our loss there, but overall pretty good. We're in the high 60s, or I should say above mid 60s win percentage. Our average return good. Our profit factor is still pretty solid. So far in this journey what we've had, so folks, things are working out pretty good. So to summarize, our short got stopped out. It looked pretty good for a little bit there, but we don't have to watch it because we just follow our rules. This one was a loss. It's been updated in the journal, and I'm looking forward to the next trade, folks. Talk to you then.